Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be working with this wig from Celie hair, and as you guys can see I've already styled and prepped the wig. So I bleached the nuts and everything, so literally this wig is ready for me to install. So I'll be showing you how to install your closure wig without having to glue it down. So this is going to be a glueless install, and I'm working with a 5x5 lace closure wig today. So the wig comes with an elastic band, which is obviously really good. This is going to help with the glueless install as well. The first thing you want to do is you want to clip the adjustable straps at the back of the wig. You want to clip them together. So I literally do this for every wig install, whether it's a closure wig or lace frontal wig. I literally clip the adjustable straps at the back together. I feel like this just gives more security as well. And now the next thing I'm going to do is to apply some foundation on my lace. This is going to help the lace to match my skin tone better. So I'm mainly going to apply this to the front of the lace, so mainly the hairline, because that's the part of the lace that I really need to match my skin tone. So I'm done with the back. I'm also going to apply some on the front of the lace. So I'm also going to take off the combs on the side of the wig. So I'm going to take off the combs so it feels more comfortable when I put the wig on. Okay, so I've got the wig on now, and this is how the hairline is looking. So I'm going to go ahead and cut off the excess lace. So you guys can see I've left out some hair on the sides just to do some slight baby hairs, and this is not compulsory, by the way, especially because it's a closure wig. But if you want it to look more like a mini frontal, then you can go ahead and do some baby hairs on the side. So I'm just going to clip this away from my face, and excuse my chair, by the way, like it's always squeaking. So you want to cut close to the hairline, but not too close. So you can see this is how the hairline looks. The lace is still quite visible. It's not too bad, you can leave it like this, but I'm just going to pluck the baby hairs just a bit more. I'm going to pluck the baby hairs because I feel like this is too thick, so I'm just going to pluck that just a little bit. And now the next thing I'm going to do is to cut the baby hairs shorter, and then I'm going to use my hair mousse to lay down my baby hairs. I'm just going to tap some of that hair mousse and just apply that on the tip of the lace. This is just going to help to lay it down. I feel like once you do this the first time, you don't have to do it again, like the next time you put the wig on. Just because it's the first time and I've just cut the lace. So right now I feel like the lace is like, it's not really laying. So this is just to lay the lace down, like the tips. So now I'm going to go ahead and style the wig. And then now to get rid of the flyaways at the top, just to make sure everything stays in place, I'm just going to go in and use the same hair mousse, apply some on the brush and just brush that through the hair. And guys, this is me done, and this is 100% glueless. I've not used any hair glue, any hairspray. I've not used anything aside from just the hair mousse, just to lay the baby hairs down, and this is how it looks. And honestly, I feel like everyone needs a closure wig, especially in summer when it gets really hot and you just can't be bothered to glue your hair down, and you don't want to have to worry about your lace lifting or anything like that. Trust me, a closure wig is literally your best option. So like I said, this wig is from Celie hair, and honestly guys, this hair feels extremely soft. Like, it feels really soft. So this is their body wave wig, and they sent me a 24-inch. I'm not sure what density this is, but it's probably 180, as you guys can see. And also the wig did not come pre-plucked, and it didn't come pre-bleached as well, so I had to go in and bleach the knots and also customize the hairline myself. So if you guys want me to show you an in-depth video showing you how I customize my hairline and make them look really natural, then just let me know in the comment section below. So I'm gonna make sure to list all the links that you guys need to this wig down below. Honestly guys, this hair feels extremely soft, and their wigs are very affordable as well. I checked their website, and this wig is £220 on their website. So yeah guys, the hair is so soft. Also, just a quick one just to show you guys that the wig is like totally glueless. I'm gonna use my tweezer and just, as you can see, there you go. So I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description box below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.